All right, let us learn and practice some simple introductions and conversation starters together. We will learn how to have our very first conversations in Spanish, and you will be well on your way to communicating like a pro in Espanol. We are getting out of cognate territory, so be sure to take notes and pause the video if needed. First, we all know how to say hello in Spanish. Hola, to say how is it going or what is happening. Dice, ¿qué tal? O ¿qué pasa? Good morning, buenos días, good afternoon, buenas tardes, good evening, buenas noches. Notice that the only one that has the word buenos is for morning. Okay, before we get too far, there is another important thing to know about Spanish. There are two ways to say the word you. One way is informal. Think about the way you speak casually to friends, close family, or people who are younger than you. Dice tú, the second way is more formal. This is how you would address elders, people in authority, or just in general to sound more respectful. Dice usted. Okay. Then when you are asking someone questions, you will have to think about how you are addressing them, which will change your question a bit. To ask, how are you? You would as your friend, ¿cómo estás? But to sound more respectful, you could say, ¿cómo está usted? There are a million different ways to answer this question, but for now, let's stick to these three. Bien. Good, más o menos. All right, mal, bad. Great. Now, to reciprocate the question, you can say y tú or y usted. Now, asking someone their name is tricky because the phrase most used is ¿cómo te llamas? In English. This translates more to what are you called? The tie in ¿cómo te llamas? Indicates the informal tú. If you wish to sound more respectful, you would ask instead, ¿cómo se llama? To respond to a question like this, you would say, me llamo, hola. Me llamo la señora Shelby. ¿Y usted? ¿Cómo se llama? If you are introducing someone else, you can use the same format that you would for usted. Just drop the question word ¿cómo? To say her name is Emmy, I would say se llama Emmy. Bueno, if I am asking someone to tell me about someone else, I may say, ¿quién es? ¿Quién means who, so I am asking who is that. To answer you, just say es. And then whatever their name is, ¿quién es? O es Carmen. Te presento a y le presento a are ways to introduce people to each other. Just say their names after. There are several ways to say that you are pleased to meet someone. Ejemplos son mucho gusto y encantado now. If you are a male, you would end encantado with an O. But if you are female, you would end it with the letter A. Because I am a female, I would respond with encantada. Igualmente is a great way to reciprocate the feeling. There are lots of simple questions that will help you navigate the Spanish world. Here are a few. ¿Puedo ir al baño? ¿Cómo se dice? ¿Puedo tomar agua? You could also say, ¿puedo beber agua? Tengo una pregunta. ¿Puedes repetir eso? Can you repeat that? We also have words like la clase de español, the Spanish class. Maestra female teacher, maestro male teacher. El señor o la señora is Mr. or Mrs. And la señorita is Miss. Perdón, excuse me, por favor. Please, gracias, thank you. De nada, you are welcome. Sí o no, yes or no. Okay, let's talk about the weather. The verb hacer en español means to do or to make. Often when we discuss weather, we use the conjugation del verbo hacer, hace. The question you may ask is, ¿qué tiempo hace en el invierno, the winter? Hace frío. In autumn, en otoño, hace fresco. In summer, en verano, hace calor, hace sol también. Hace niebla means there is fog, and está nublado means it is cloudy. En el invierno nieva. En la primavera llueve. Finally, our last word to learn is hace viento. It is windy. Excelente. Great job, todos mis estudiantes. Hasta la próxima.